Hello. Hello. Today we're going to talk about a butterfly, the life cycle of a butterfly. Behind me is a chart, and we have the 4 stages of the life cycle of the butterfly. That's also known as a metamorphosis, because the egg changes into a caterpillar, which changes into a chrysalis, which becomes the butterfly. And we're going to learn more about what those words mean. First, we're going to read The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. And I want you to listen for those words, egg, caterpillar, and the chrysalis is called a cocoon in our story, and then the butterfly. So we'll see where all those things fit into this story. The Very Hungry Caterpillar. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. See the little egg on this leaf? It's very small, isn't it? On Sunday morning, the warm sun came up, and pop out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. Look at that little caterpillar. So there's our 2 of our words, right? Egg and caterpillar. How many of you have ever seen a caterpillar and touched one? Yeah, they're fuzzy. They have lots of little legs. If they crawl up your arm, it kind of tickles. He started to look for some food because he was very hungry. Have you been hungry and needed food? On Monday, he ate through 1 apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. Wow, he really was hungry, huh? And on Thursday, what did he eat? Strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4 strawberries. But guess what? He was still hungry. And on Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. He was hungry. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of the chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 slice of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. He wasn't hungry anymore. That night, he had a stomachache. That's a lot of food, huh? So the next day was Sunday again, and the caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and after that he felt much better. How many of you eat green leaves to feel better? Yeah, me neither. I think that only works for caterpillars, so don't try it. Now he wasn't hungry anymore. He wasn't even a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar, and he built a small house called a cocoon. There's our other word, cocoon, for solace, cocoon. He stayed inside it for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon and he pushed his way out. And what do you think came out of the cocoon? That's right, a big, beautiful butterfly. So we have 4 stages that our book told us all about. The first stage was what? An egg. I have a model of an egg right here. Now this egg is a little bit bigger than the real egg that we might find on a leaf. We might even have to look through a magnifying glass to see that egg. Will you take that and you can show the other students too? I also have a little replica of a caterpillar. This one's plastic and hard, but like we said, the other caterpillars are soft and kind of fuzzy. And here is a chrysalis or a cocoon. This would stay attached to a leaf limb or a plant limb, maybe a tree limb. And out of that, what comes? A butterfly. That's right. Now, did you know that butterflies are insects? Here, this is going to fly over to Philip. All right. And here's our chart about the life cycle of the butterfly that y'all can pass around and look at too. Now, Philip, will you hand me that insect chart? Thank you, sir. All right, now this tells us about the different parts of the insect, a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. And that's what I was saying, is that a butterfly is also an insect. And it has 3 parts, a head, thorax, and abdomen. And you can take that and look at that too. Thank you. Now, in order for us to see how much we've learned, we're going to do a matching exercise where we match the pictures to the words. And we're going to do a multiple choice exercise. And we're also going to work up in groups and do a dramatic play where I have some brightly colored cloths and a sleeping bag. And we're going to take turns in our groups. We're going to demonstrate the life cycle of the butterfly. I hope you've enjoyed today. Do you have any questions? All right. Well, we're going to get started on our worksheets and our dramatic play, and we'll have a good time. All right. Thank you for being so attentive today.